Welcome to our quick guide on downloading IPTV Smarters on your Samsung Smart TV. The journey begins at 2tv.store. Meet Nancy in customer support for personalized IPTV solutions. Selecting the right IPTV provider is crucial. We recommend starting with 2tv.store. Remember to connect with Nancy for any questions or support. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, head to the Samsung App Store on your TV. Search for the app IPTV Smarters using the remote, and let the app display list unfold before your eyes. It's that simple. Once you identify the IPTV Smarters app, select it and begin the straightforward installation. Watch as the app installs quickly, ready to open new entertainment worlds. After successful installation, open the IPTV Smarters app. Enter the credentials provided by your chosen IPTV provider. Soon you'll be immersed in endless streaming options and exciting new content. Now you have IPTV Smarters on your Samsung TV, elevating your viewing experience. Don't forget to connect with Nancy at 2tv.store for optimal IPTV services and continuous assistance.